Here is my big Lego Technic Ford Focus RS. Yes, it's pretty ugly. I really don't like how it looks. But, oh well. Got LED headlights that can be switched off in order to save current for driving. Servo motor powered front steering. Switchable all-wheel drive. So rear to all. So here's the all-wheel drive. Can't really see it. Using two large motors. One motor controls this wheel, the other controls the other three in all-wheel drive mode. The front differential, but no other ones. If you want to switch into drift mode, you switch it into rear drive, then you just got each wheel controlled independently. In order to drift, you run into a corner with running both wheels, and then stop running the inside wheel. It works decently. Here's my big Lego Technic Ford Focus RS driving. It's really too heavy for it, the motors.